Hello, welcome back to Python, welcome back to Matplotlib. And yeah, today we are looking at histograms. First of all, like always, let's import Matplotlib point pyplot as mtp, and again, like always, mtp point show. Now let's create some data. Again, just a list. List t equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Let's add 6, 7, 8. Now let's type in mtp point hist takes listy, and let's run our code. Not this one, this one. As you can see, we created an histogram, and yeah, shows us just how much each number occurs. For example, the 1 occurs 3 times, 4 times the 2, 3 much more, and yeah, so on. What will happen if we add 200, or let's say 2000 in our data? As you can see, all the small values are summed up to 1 bar, and yeah, the last bar is the 2000, and yeah, between is a large space. That's kind of how histograms work. So he's kind of setting dynamically which stages are chosen. So let's kind of import numpy. Let's create list t2 equals np point random point normal. Yeah, let's do 160. Standard deviation is 29. No, let's do 30, and yeah, let's do 25 times, and let's do it with list t2. Here we go. Yeah, now we got some random numbers, mainly 160 with some standard deviation, and yeah, here you can see each occurrence, and that's a histogram. So yeah, 250 values between 160. Most of them should be near to 160, and yeah, really kind of helpful if you have wanna compare value and the number of occurrence. For example, if you have some data and want to see any limit points. Now let's explore some of the arguments the hist function has. For example, bins. Let's just type in bin equals 20, and yeah, what happens now? The bars aren't set dynamically anymore. He is now having 20 bars, and yeah, we can even do it like this. Bins also can be an array, for example 0, 20, 30, 80, and 200. Let's see what happens. As you can see now, he created one entire bar for the space between 80 and 200, and of course that's most of the space. Yeah, but most of the times you want each bar with the same size, so you can just type in 30 if we want small dots. And as higher bins are, let's say 200, 100, and let's start. As higher the number of bins are, as more detailed it gets. Yeah, like always, we can change our color. Color equals red, and now everything is red. If we add another color like red and green, By the way, if you have only one color, you can just type in the strings. You don't need a list. But in our case, of course, we need another data set. Let's do it like random point rand n 2, and now we have two different colors. And if we do the same stuff with some standard deviation, we can do something like 160 plus p random, and then yeah, it's not the same you have at, but you know what I mean, I guess. Now we have 160 as the middle point. Because yeah, if we are using this, we have 2 dimensions, so we have kind of two-dimensional arrays. Each 160 part elements in an array, and each element is also an array which contains 2 elements. We can also do it like 4. And yeah, then we need 4 colors. Let's add black and yeah, what else? Blue. We can do it like this, but yeah, 160 is a little bit much. Let's do, no, 160 isn't that much, but let's, instead of, yeah, 100, let's do a 21, a 20. This looks a little bit nicer in my opinion. So yeah, here we are seeing each value of the element of the array, and yeah, each element of the array is also an array. So for example, yeah, the array, let's print it, then I can show you. Let's print it in the console. So here you see the last one, for example, is 160, 149, and so on. And yeah, the first one are the red ones, so the second one you can count as the green ones. This one are the, oh no, let me have a look, black ones, and then the blue ones. And yeah, 162 got no blue ones, but 1 black one, and yeah, I guess 5 or 6 green ones, or 4. Yeah. Now what we can also do, we can, yeah, kind of try another kind of visualization. We can stack them. What do I mean with that? Let's type in stacked. Stacked equals true, and let's run our code again. And yeah, now the red, green, black, and blue ones are not next to each other, but yeah, you can see they are stacked up. So yeah, 161 has has 1 red or 2 red or 3 red, I don't know. It's hard to describe or explain it, but it's easy just by looking at it to understand what I mean. Out of our array counts, yeah, 100, with the value of 158 we got, yeah, 1 or 2 in the first column, which are red, then in the second column are green, and so on. If this is too colorful for you, you can just type in fill equals false. Now again, here we go, now it's not filled anymore. We can also say hist type equals step. No. Okay, not hist type. Now let's see what happens. Now we got the color, so this is a little bit better visualized. So yeah, you should, if you want it unfulfilled or unfilled, you should do it like that. And with that in mind, I'm finished for today. I hope you could learn something. I don't know what is the next topic. I have to think about something. But yeah, apart from that, I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is. See you and bye bye. Hello, yeah, welcome back to Python with another video about Python. Obviously, okay, welcome to the outtakes, I would say. Hello, welcome back to another Python video. Hello, yeah, welcome to another video about Python, obviously.